Okay, all right. Previously, I already have a video about putting PayPal into Google site, but I'm using the PayPal business. Okay, uh, this particular clip, all right, this video clip, I will be using the personal PayPal account. All right, so I have already logged into my personal PayPal account, and at the back here I have my Google site. All right, so I'm just going to use this too. Once you log in, you will usually be in the dashboard. Okay, but click this little setting here, all right, this little gear button here, and you will have all these additional tab. Okay, the one you want is the seller tool, because you want to collect money. So when you want to collect money, basically means you are the seller, or someone else is the buying. What will do the buying? So the buyer will pay you the money. All right. So there's a few tools here. I won't go into every one of them, but I will go into the button. All right. So I'm gonna manage my PayPal button. All right. And there's quite a number of buttons. Uh, okay, there's quite a number of buttons available already inside the personal PayPal account. But the one that I use very often is the smart button. All right, unless you want to do smart subscribe, but I have nothing to subscribe. All right, so I will just use the smart button. Okay, you will find that there are a number of buttons, right, from fixed price, okay, selecting something, all right, or variable price. The process is very much similar. It's just that what it looks like is different. Okay, so far I've used a lot of variable price. Okay, you can check this little question mark to see what they are for. Okay, you can set the currency. All right, so if you want to collect in US dollar, it will be US dollar. You can put whatever amount here, okay, whatever data. All right, and you will appear over here, and this one is your description. It will appear on this side, and this is what roughly it will look like. Okay, you can also still change the button style if you like. Okay, if you like it horizontal, vertical, but these are basically just uh, cosmetic. Right? These are all just cosmetic. Okay, the real thing that you want to work with, all right, is basically the code. So after you have do all this setting, copy the code. There's a button here, you can copy the code, but only after you are confirmed this is what you want. So click the copy the code. You will see it's copied to clipboard. Go to your Google site. I'm going to use my sandbox page. Right, this is where I do all my testing, and do an embed. Okay, you are not embedding by URL, but you are embedding by code, and paste the code inside here. Right, so you can see the PayPal stuff. Click next. You should see what you have designed. If you don't see what you have designed, basically something has went wrong. Okay, so once you see what you have designed, all right, click insert, and you should see what you have. All right, then the next thing you do is you just publish it. Okay, and there you have it. All right, you're ready to collect money. Okay, directly from your Google site into your PayPal account. All right, and couldn't be any simpler. So it is there, the feature is there inside PayPal, personal PayPal account.